Hey crew, we're here today with Anthony and Steve from SAS Parts and Performance. We're checking out the motor build so far, and Anthony's going to tell us a little bit about where he is so far and where we're headed today. Yeah, what do you think?
So, to start off with, we checked all the main bearing clearances. I've already installed the cam bearings, checked the clearances on the cam. We filed all the piston rings. So your piston rings are 18 and 20. So 18 thou on the top, 20 thou on your bottom ring.
Okay.
And then today we're gonna get the crank in, do the rods, do the pistons, and start there and go from there.
Love it. All right, man. Hey, thank you so much. We're excited to see how the project progresses. And if you want to see more, definitely check us out on Facebook and Instagram and follow this page and check out all the updates.